Good morning everyone. Myself Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are staying healthy. Please take precautions. So today we are going to start with GK class 3rd chapter number 27. Okay, chapter number 27. Open up your books, page number 35. Keep pencils in your hand and write down each and everything very carefully. Okay, chapter number 27, page number 35. Yes, classical dancers. Okay, now who are classical dancers? See, every state is having their own tradition, own culture, and according to that tradition and culture, classical dancers are there. Okay, like and about those classical dancers we are going to read about in this chapter. Classical dances are the dances based on ancient dance disciplines, okay, based on ancient dance disciplines and have strict rules for presentation, okay, strict rules for presentation. Now if you have seen Kathak, so before starting the Kathak what they do, they do one that namaskar procedure, okay, they start with the namaskar and that namaskar is very creative, वो लोग उसको बहुत अलग तरीके से करते हैं. So they have strict rules for presentation. Write with which classical dances are these dancers related to. Use the help box. Okay. First one is Mallika Sarabhai is famous for Kuchipudi. Yes, Mallika Sarabhai, she was famous for Kuchipudi. Then Jayaprabha Menon is famous for Mohiniyattam. Sharmila Biswas is famous for Odissi. Then cultural or classical dance of Odisha. Okay. Then Alamel Wali is a reputed dancer of Bharatnatyam. Okay, Bharatnatyam. Then Pandit Birju Maharaj is famous for Kathak. I have told you about Kathak right now, about the rule of Kathak. Yes, that namaskar procedure I have told you. So in that Kathak only that procedure is there, like वो उस नमस्कार को before starting their dance, before starting their Kathak, they do that in a very creative way. Then Professor Dr. Shruti Bandyopadhyay is famous for Manipuri. Anita Sharma is famous for Satriya and Kala Mandalam Gopi is famous for Kathakali. Okay, so they all have some procedure before starting their dance. Okay. So now starting with the next chapter, that is chapter number 28, world cuisine. Okay, now see, every country is having their own dishes, okay, the type of food they consume, like not even country, if we talk about our Rajasthan only, every state, okay, like if you go to south side, basically what they are eating idli, sambar, dosa, such kind of food, South Indian food. And if you are going to Punjab side, what they are eating, chole, bhature, okay, so such kind of foods is like there with every state. Rajasthan, that is dal, bati, okay, so such food is related to different states. So in the same way, different countries is associated with different food, different cuisines. So let's read about those. People in different countries speak different languages. Okay, people in different countries speak different languages. Different countries speak different languages and also have different eating habits. They also have different eating habits. You like these foods in India too, but do you know the name of the country from where they originated? Like you all enjoy noodles, you all enjoy pasta. So even noodles came from some other country and the idea of pasta also came from some other country. Pictures and names of some delicacies of the world are given below. Write the name of the countries where they originated from using the help box. First one is long sausage served hot between bread, that is of USA, that is of USA. Then second, kushari, mixture of rice, lentils and macaroni, okay, that is in Egypt. Pizza, you all enjoy pizza? Yes, you all go to Domino's, Pizza Hut for enjoying the pizza. So basically pizza came from Italy, okay, pizza came from Italy. Yes, now fourth one is sushi, cooked rice dressed with vinegar. Vinegar is sirka, that is of Japan. Then fifth one is chow mein, a dish of stir fried noodles. Okay, noodles, Manchurian, okay, they all came from China. Then sixth one is kotu, prepared from chapati, vegetables, eggs and spices, that is of Sri Lanka. And seventh one is fish and chip, comprises pieces of fried fish served with chips. You can see in the picture this finger chips, okay, that is of UK. Now starting with the next chapter, that is chapter number 29, that is brand names. Chapter number 29, that is brand names. Yes, see, you all different things. You use shoes, that is of different brands. Then you use soap of different brands. Okay, so that brand name associated with different things. Okay, and those brand names can't be used by some other people. So we are going to read about such brand names in this chapter. With which brand names are the following items associated? Brand names. Okay, so these are the list of items and brand names has been given to you. First one is what you can see, soap is there, and soap is, that is of Lux number 1 if it is not visible. Okay, then second one is what you can see, chocolate. So which brand is there of chocolate in this? Cadbury. Then third one is what you can see, a mobile phone. Which brand is associated with phone? Third one, that is of Nokia. Okay, second one, Cadbury. Okay, then fourth one, a car is there. Yes, which brand is associated with the car in this? A, BMW. Okay, fourth one, that is BMW. Then fifth one, a bike is there, H1, Bajaj. Okay, then sixth one, shoe is there. Which brand is associated with shoe in this? Adidas. I1, you can write down 6 here. Okay, then seventh one, laptop is there, that is of HCL. Write down 7 here. Then eighth one, watch is there, watch is of J, Titan. Write down 8. Okay, ninth one is D, SpiceJet. Okay, aeroplane is there and this one is of SpiceJet. And 10th one, yes, you all use these pencils. Which pencil is this? You can see the brand name here, Nataraj. Okay, so you can write 10th one here. Okay, so this was all about your chapter number 29. So children, this was all about your chapters. Stay safe, stay healthy and revise these chapters. Check your spellings once again. Thank you.